I'm Dr. Lutzmiri, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. I'm going to take the topic Docker Container and Docker Image Repository for the subject Cloud Computing. What is a Docker? Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly, packaging software into standardized units called containers. It is a container. Container is not a virtual machine. It is isolated. It shares the operating system. Sometimes it may be binary files or sometimes it may be library. See the diagram. The infrastructure, hypervisor, the virtual machine, apps, bins are libraries and guest OS. The container is having a different structure. Host OS, instead of the hypervisor you are having the host OS. Above that you can have the container. Docker will have the container. Application B and there is no guest OS, so it's a container. So OpenShift is a layer of the on the top of the Docker and Kubernetes that makes it accessible and easy for the developer to create application. It's a web-based console command line tool, logs and metrics templates. OpenShift is by Red Hat. It's a Docker. On top of the Docker, Docker images. Docker consists of Docker Hub and Dockerfile. So Docker Hub will look like this. Ubuntu or Red Hat or whatever may be the operating system. MongoDB, MySQL, registries. Dockerfile from CentOS, run install Python, run virtual machine, Indigo, say expose entry point. So the special commands will be there. So it is possible to build your own images reading instruction from your Dockerfile. So Docker Compose allows to run multi-container Docker applications reading instruction from a Docker compose.yml file. So services you have to build, give the port, give the environment like Java. So you have to give the database. It uses Postgres. So then you have to read it command as well as output port is given. So repositories lets you image repositories let you share container images with your own team, customers or the Docker community at large level. So a single Docker Hub repository can hold many Docker images which are stored as tags, as like a HTML tag. So Docker images are pushed to Docker Hub through the Docker push command. So Docker image is an executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application. It informs how a container should instantiate, determining which software components will run how. So Docker container is a virtual environment that bundles application code with all dependencies required to run the application. The application runs quickly and reliably from one computing environment to another. So the pictorial representation of a Docker is there. Dockerfile build the image and run, and so it will be stored in the container. So what are the uses of Docker images? We can easily and effectively run the container with the use of Docker images. All the code, configuration settings, environmental variables, libraries and runtime are included in a Docker image. Docker images are platform independent. So layers are the building blocks of an image. When using build command, the user has the option of completely starting from scratch or using an existing image for the first layer. Structure of the image. So image will be base image and parent image. So the basic image will be the starting point for the majority of the Dockerfile and it can be made from the scratch. Parent image is the image that our image is based on. We can refer to the parent image in the Dockerfile using the from command, and each declaration after that affect the parent image. Layers, we have numerous layers. To create a sequence of intermediate images, each layer is created on top of the one before it. Docker registry refer to the page Docker registry. Docker image repository. Repositories let you share container images with your team. Single Docker Hub can hold many Docker images stored as